Integrating these stress relief techniques into your work routine can contribute significantly to managing stress levels, fostering a more relaxed and balanced work environment. Welcome to a guide on fostering a healthier lifestyle in the workplace. In today's fast-paced work environments, prioritizing well-being amidst deadlines and tasks is essential. Here are some practical tips to help you integrate healthier habits into your workday, ensuring you stay energized, focused, and balanced. 1. Stay active throughout the day. Plan efficient walking routes within the office. Take breaks to walk around different departments or floors. Avoid elevators and use stairs whenever possible. It's a quick way to add steps and get your heart rate up. Park your vehicle farther from the entrance to the office to incorporate extra steps into your daily commute. Form walking clubs or groups within the office. Schedule designated times for group walks during breaks. Incorporating these simple strategies into your work routine can help you integrate more walking and physical activity into your workday, promoting a healthier and more active lifestyle. 2. Manage stress effectively. During breaks, take a few minutes for deep breathing exercises. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a count, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Incorporate gentle stretches or desk yoga to relieve muscle tension. Stretch your arms, shoulders, and neck to alleviate stiffness from prolonged sitting. Close your eyes and visualize a peaceful place or calming scenario. Imagine a serene landscape or a favorite relaxing location to ease stress. Integrating these stress relief techniques into your work routine can contribute significantly to managing stress levels, fostering a more relaxed and balanced work environment. 3. Promote good posture. Ensure your chair supports your lower back lumbar region and promotes a neutral spine position. Keep your feet flat on the floor or on a footrest to maintain proper alignment. Sit back in your chair, keeping your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Avoid slouching or leaning forward excessively while working. Be mindful of your posture throughout the day, making conscious adjustments to maintain proper alignment. Engage your core muscles to support your spine while sitting. Maintaining good posture not only reduces the risk of musculoskeletal issues, but also promotes overall comfort and productivity in the workplace. 4. Practice hygiene and cleanliness. Regularly declutter your desk and keep it organized. Wipe down surfaces, keyboards, and phones with disinfectant wipes to prevent the spread of germs. Encourage colleagues to clean up after eating and dispose of food waste appropriately. Keep shared eating areas tidy and clean to avoid attracting pests. Establish cleaning schedules or rotations among colleagues to ensure shared spaces are regularly cleaned and maintained. Arrange for regular inspections or maintenance to ensure a clean and well-maintained workplace environment. Prioritizing cleanliness in the workplace not only contributes to a healthier environment but also promotes a positive and professional atmosphere for everyone. 5. Limit screen time and eye strain. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break. Can look at something 20 feet away to reduce eye strain caused by prolonged screen viewing. Optimize screen brightness, contrast, and font size to reduce glare and eye fatigue. Consider using blue light filters to minimize strain on the eyes. When possible, reduce unnecessary screen usage during breaks. Use these moments to engage in non-screen related activities. Remember, your workplace plays a significant role in your overall well-being. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can create a more health-conscious environment for yourself and your colleagues. Here's to a healthier and more fulfilling work life. Stay mindful, stay active, and embrace a balanced approach to work and wellness.